Patrick ain't gold.
Dick! Wait, I saw it first, yeah!
Boy, Mr. Krabs, you sure are sweaty.
Take a break and with us.
Yeah, come on, Sweaty.
Have you finished cleaning the penis?
I clean the ticket.
Aye, but did you scrape all the gum off the underside?
Oh! Ew!
All right, lads.
Smoke weed every day.
It's off to jail for you. It's off to jail for you.
Well, I see Mr. Krabs.
Pain is...
Shiver me timbers!
You get to dig for treasure, Mr. Krabs.
Treasure?
Rev up those fryers, cause I'm sure hungry for what? Help! Help!
Can't you see we're closed? Ready for another round? This is my kind of game.
Hooray!
6, 1, 2,
I think we ought to
Call
call
it a night, Mr. Krabs.
I really gotta get...
Huh? Who's there? But Mr.
1, 2, 3. Mr. Krabs! I wanna go to bed!
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a
go
bully
home
of tea.
already.
The winds blew
I'm
up,
done
her
playing
fired
that
up, down
game,
below.
Mr.
My
Krabs.
bully boys blow.
Hey, Billy, that's skipping. Pirates don't skip.
Look, I'm Peggy the pirate.
I'm Beard the pirate.
Captain, we're about to hit the... Cap, we're about to hit...
Out with it, man! Org! 97, 9,998, 9,999, 10,000. Where's the X? Supposed to be right here. 10,000 paces east.
Oh, east? I thought you said west.
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 I get it!
Mr. Krabs, we're tired. And hungry.
That sickens me. A pirate is not judged by the in his
Luigi?
or the size of his dick. A pirate is judged by the loyalty of his
Shadow Wizard Money Gang.
and without a loyal,
Shadow Wizard Money Gang.
what am I captain of? Just a bunch of sands.
We'll be the most loyal ever. I'm so loyal, I don't even mind sleeping on the cold.
I'm so loyal, I haven't in weeks.
But we've only been out for a few hours.
Patrick, it opened by itself. SpongeBob,
Yeah?
did you notice something familiar about this map?
You mean like...
Do you think this is a problem?
So you think our Captain Krabs is gone crazy, do you?
I think that. I'm gonna throw you overboard for saying that!
Look! It's the X!
Well, what are you waiting for, lads? Dig! Dig! What shares? You're not getting any of my treasure!
We found it together, so we deserve a share!
Well, I'm the captain, and I say it's mine!
What about loyalty?
Keep it down, William! I'm trying to get some sleep! Oh, dug up the Dutchman's treasure!
Ladies!
saved me a lot of digging, you did. So here's a reward for the two of yous.
Wow!
Two gold doubloons!
Nah, I just like to mess with you.